आज हम देखेंगे कंप्यूटर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एंड आर्किटेक्चर का क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 सेट 1 आया था डेट 2024 में। तो कॉन्सेप्ट यही था कि इस वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स इज फॉल्स। तो इनमें से क्या क्या स्टेटमेंट फॉल्स है वो पूछ रहे। ऑप्शन ए ये था कि in the cycle stealing mode of DMA, that is direct memory access, one word of data is transferred between an input output device and main memory in a stolen cycle. The option for bulk data transfer, the burst mode of DMA has a higher throughput than the cycle stealing mode. C. Program input output mechanism has a better CPU utilization than the interrupt driven input output mechanism. D option, the CPU can start executing an interrupt service routine, that is ISR, faster with vectored interrupts than with non-vectored interrupts. Okay. So one by one ऑप्शन को हम एनालाइज करते हैं। ओके, सो स्टेटमेंट हम एनालिसिस करेंगे। ऑप्शन ए था कि इन द साइकिल स्टीलिंग मोड ऑफ डायरेक्ट मेमोरी एक्सेस वन वर्ड ऑफ डाटा इज ट्रांसफर्ड बिटवीन एन इनपुट आउटपुट डिवाइस एंड मेन मेमोरी इन ए स्टोलन साइकिल। तो इसका एक्सप्लेनेशन नहीं होगा कि इन साइकिल स्टीलिंग मोड द डीएमए कंट्रोलर temporarily takes control of the system was to transfer one word of data directly between the input output device and main memory. Okay, effectively stealing cycle from the CPU. Okay. This statement is true. Okay. The DMA controller temporarily takes control of the system bus to transfer one word of the data directly between the input output device and the main memory. Okay. So, okay, main memory effectively stealing cycles from the CPU. So statement 2 is option B for bulk data transfer. The burst mode of direct memory access has a higher throughput than the cycle stealing mode. Okay, so usually in the burst mode, the DMA controller transfers a block of data in bursts. Okay, block of data in bursts without handover control of the burst until the block is completely transferred, leading up to higher throughputs. Contrast cycle stealing transfers data one word at a time, resulting in lower throughputs. Statement is true. Then C option, program's input output mechanism has a better CPU utilization than the interrupts driven input output mechanism. So इसका एक्सप्लेनेशन होगा इन प्रोग्राम्स इनपुट आउटपुट। ओके, the CPU actively waits and continuously holds the input output device. This leads to poor CPU utilization because the CPU is busy inverting in interrupts driven input outputs. The CPU is notified when the input output operation is complete, allowing it to perform other tasks in the meantime. So therefore, interrupt-driven input output has better CPU utilization compared to programmed input outputs. Okay. So therefore, interrupt-driven input output has better CPU utilization compared to programmed input outputs. So the statement is false. Okay. So the statement is false. Option D, the CPU can start executing an interrupt service routine, that is ISR, faster with vectored interrupts than with non-vectored interrupts. So इसका explanation होगा कि vectored interrupts provide a specific address for the interrupt service routine, that is ISR, allowing CPU to quickly locate and execute the appropriate routine. So non-vectored interrupts require additional steps to identify the interrupt source, making them slower. So the statement is true. So इसका correct answer ये होगा false का। Programs, option number C, programs input output mechanism has a better CPU utilization than the interrupt driven input output mechanism. Statement false. इसे मैंने बोला था ये because false इसलिए होगा because interrupt driven input output is more efficient in terms of CPU utilization compared to programmed input outputs. तो इसलिए false हो जाएगा क्योंकि false इसलिए होगा कि interrupt driven input output में is more efficient in terms of CPU utilization compared to programmed input outputs. तो इसका आंसर false नहीं होगा. ऑप्शन नंबर सी. थैंक यू.